Good morning, students. Today is Monday, April 27th, and you're going to be doing several things today, so let's kind of go through them. The first thing is you're going to be watching a video on my perspective. So it's entitled BBC Science Club, All About Exploration. Now, if you are already logged into the textbook, clicking this link should take you right to it. If you are not logged in, I can show you how to get to this specific video. So you're going to want to go through Clever and click on the Pearson Realize again, and that will open a series of windows where you're going to have to open the book in a different window. But you should end up here, and then you're going to go to Menu and Table of Contents, and you're going to go to Unit 5. I believe it is in, Whole Class Learning, and it's the BBC Science Club, All About Exploration, under Whole Class Learning for Unit 5. And of course, you can make this easier to see, and you can enter full screen if that helps, and you can watch the video. Okay, so once you have watched the video, please remember to mark as completed. And the next step is to draw any picture, and it has to be pretty detailed, any picture though that connects with the video you just watched. So the directions here, you can see a screenshot of Mrs. Pomager's beautiful drawing, talking about like the types of travel over time, and it just has to connect with the video that you watched in some way. Once that's done, mark it as completed, and then the next step is to watch an example of Mrs. Pomager talking about her project. So you're going to watch that, and then you are going to go to your email and find a message from Mrs. Pomager for your class's Flipgrid. And there you are going to record your response and talk about your drawing that you created and why it connects to the BBC Science Club video. So this is just a little bit different than we've been doing in the last few weeks. This is a little bit more creative, and it gives you a chance to verbally tell us about your understanding rather than having to write answers. Once that is done, you can mark that as completed, and you are done for Monday. If you have any questions, please join our drop-in meetings from 9 to 10 and 1 to 2. And remember to get logged in and join your class Zooms if you have a class Zoom today. Thanks.